feel like you have everything going for you in an outfit, but something is throwing it off? I feel like this is my constant battle. I know I have good pieces in my wardrobe. I know how to put an outfit together, but sometimes I cannot make an outfit work. I asked you guys on Instagram what you think makes or breaks an outfit, and today we're going to be doing little side-by-sides. If we really think they make that big of a deal, if this could be what's making or breaking our outfits, if we're just all too chronically online. Before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Fabrique for sponsoring. I've worked with them before. You've seen their pieces countless times now in any of my lookbooks, so I'm excited to share some new pieces with you guys. The first thing that I got so much, and I feel like is pretty universally agreed on, is the shoes. So I wanted to start with like a very basic, simple, non-aggressive outfit and work from there. Also got my glasses on today. I'm trying to give my eyes just like a break from contact. Starting with this basic outfit, but like cute. This top is from Fabrique. I love just like tops with little buttons all the way down. I like that it opens up at the bottom. It's like very figure flattering. And then you guys know if I'm gonna wear a mini skirt, it's gonna be a skirt. I love that it has shorts in the back. Also, my audio is just like always trash garbage. I completely pitched the mic today. Let me know if you like it better without the mic. And we're gonna go back to old school, like no more holding this junk in my face. Not that like I don't like my Sambas. I honestly think like I would wear this day to day. I'd probably do like, you know, a cute slouchy sock or something, but we're just gonna do something so like we're not thinking. I'm gonna throw these on. I think there's a better shoe option for this outfit, so let's start with these as just like blah shoe. I'm gonna do no socks because I want it to be like ankle socks. Like I don't want it to look like I'm styling or putting thought into my shoe. My hair also, like I need a haircut because it's so thick. Here is the outfit, just with like, we're not thinking about the shoe. Okay, we're still gonna have like a casual vibe, but let's see if our shoe can really amp it up. I still want to keep it pretty casual. I think it could be fun with like this blue sneaker, and that would be the same vibe, just like a little more elevated. I'm gonna even add a gray sock because I just think it like goes with the outfit. It's a little more fun than a white sock. And then also I'm gonna do one other shoe because it's a lot of pressure on these bad boys. So again, I still love my Sambas. I just think there's better ways to wear them than with this outfit. These are my newest sneakers that I got. They are the Wales Bonner collab. And I just like that they're like a pop of color. I don't know if I like the slouchy sock, but let's do it side by side. Okay, and then the shoe that I really think I'd wear with this, I've been obsessed with these ballet flats. You guys know I'm very particular about like the toe of my shoes. These ballet flats from Jeffrey Campbell have like the perfect like nubby rounded toe. I also have them in pink. I bought them with my own money. They did not send that to me. I've been wearing them nonstop. They're just so easy to slip on. Between these and those little fisherman sandals that I know so many of you have looked at, this is all I wear. I think that's a really cute vibe also. Okay, and I know I could like totally amp this look up with like boots. I feel like that's such like a cop out. Of course they're gonna look cute with a boot. You know what I mean? Like the Sambas, were they even bad enough? I want to fix my hair right now, so we're gonna do it. Your hair can make or break an outfit so much. I always say this when I don't have bangs. I feel like every outfit just looks like basic, bland, and whatever. And then when I have bangs, I'm like, wow, she's so cute. And I don't like my hair down right now, so I want to like put it up. I didn't want to do it until we talked about this one. Let's pick another, like really good base. I have a bunch of new denim from Fabrique that I want to show you guys, and I feel like they were like the perfect base to work with these because they're just like good pieces, not too like, I don't know, out there crazy. You can really dress them up, dress them down, and they're basically gonna look good anytime. They will look good anyway, so I didn't want it to be like, I'm doing these side by sides and they're drastically different, you know what I mean? Is this set, okay, wait. My boobs are always uneven because I still breastfeed. so you never know which ones got used last. Is this set not the cutest thing in the whole world? This is a little set from Fabrique. Like I keep saying, I absolutely adore Fabrique because they work with small designers, and if you purchase a piece or you want to go look at a piece on the website, you can see exactly who designed it, their other work, and it's just so cool that they're given like this platform or space to, I don't know, like share their pieces and sell their pieces, because these feel so unique and they feel personal, like I don't know, somebody really put their like heart and soul into them. So I adore these pieces, and I don't think I would like ever find something like them. This set is so cute. I want to go like dinner and drinks in this. So kind of doing our shoe theory, we got to pick the right shoe since like that's not what we're working on this one. I think cowboy boots could be so fun with this. Do I really have to put socks on? Like, wouldn't cowboy boots be cute? I just got to figure out if the pant leg, do I want to show off the pant leg more? Because with cowboy boots you have to tuck it in. That's cute, but I want to see like the bottom split hem. I think that these would be perfect. They're from Cezanne. And they give like a totally different vibe. Like this feels very edgy. I wanted to like make it a bit more feminine and like cutesy, and I thought the cowboy boots could do that, or these little shoes. And it just feels much more me, like holy shart hole, I love it. Here's the before. My hair is just haphazard. I was gonna like pull it back, you know, make it really ugly looking, but sometimes, because I don't know, I'm never gonna put on a cute outfit and wear my hair like that. Sometimes your hair just like actually doesn't match your outfit. So I think that like something big like this just does not go with the vibe. Maybe you disagree, but we'll see. I think pulling my hair up will just completely change the look and make it so much better. I feel like I'm gonna get mixed reviews on this one, but I just think there's so much going on with the outfit that like hair up looks better, and you know, maybe I'm spending a little bit more time hair up look like this, but let me know what you guys think. And even if you think one looks better than the other, it just shows that like hair, you know, matters and affects an outfit. I don't think my glasses go with this outfit at all. I literally can't see. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, I forget how much I can't see. I know I said I wanted to do this one so I could put my hair up, but I don't know. I think we're gonna still have to go case by case, because maybe I want to do like two pickies, but I knew that wouldn't look good with this outfit. Next thing we're gonna focus on that so many of you guys said is important are the accessories. I'm gonna throw on my black cowboy boots because they just like go with the vibe of this outfit. Like, I'm not putting on crazy outfits. They're just pretty, they're simple, they make sense. Everything in this goes together. This top is from Fabrique. I've worn it so many times on my channel. I'm sure you guys know it well now. This skirt is from Fabrique. I love the A-line buttons down the front, and then just little vintage cowboy boots. This is such a good like summer and fall transition outfit if it's still hot and you want to give that look. Something I love an off the shoulder top is my hair down. I think that it looks a lot better and I feel more comfortable in it when I have my hair up with off the shoulder. It either feels a lot more fancy or I feel a little bit too naked. So let's accessorize. Here's without accessories. I'm gonna keep my glasses on because I can't see what I'm doing and I feel like I'm going cross-eyed. So with a lot of these looks, it's like maybe from one to the other, it doesn't look, I don't know, drastic or different. And that's kind of like the point. I feel like when we're doing these, putting these outfits on and we can't figure out what's wrong, it's because it's these tiny things that maybe we don't notice when we're at home, and then you go out and you're like, I liked this outfit at home, why do I not like it now that I'm out and about, you know, living in it, wearing it, because we're not focusing on these things. Okay, I feel like I would like this necklace if I didn't have glasses on, but because I have glasses on, it just feels a little bit too heavy. So I think just even like a super tiny like diamond necklace would be cute here. Oh my god, it's so tangled. The last time I wore this was right before I gave birth, and the nurse told me like 3 times, she was like, take all your jewelry off, please, take all your jewelry off. And at that point I wore so much jewelry, and every time I would take something off and I was like, oh, that's it. And I always had one more thing on. The next time I'm pregnant, I know like a month before I start taking all my jewelry off. You know what that did? Halted my time. I could have had my epidural. I was ready to be thrown back there. Oh my god, I can't undo this. Let's do a different one. Just want like a little something on my neck. Also, my daughter loves playing in my jewelry box.
Let her go crazy in there.
Just a little gold chain would be cute. I actually like that. Like, maybe that doesn't seem like much, but like sometimes when it'll just like glitter in the light, you know what I mean? I don't know, I think that's so pretty. Can you guys tell? I don't know why, but this ring, like the jade of it make all this stuff go together. I think it's cute. Maybe, and then some earrings. You guys know, like, these are my favorite statement earrings. I need more statement earrings, but I can just never find ones that have the exact vibe I want. This might be too much, but maybe just like some hoops. Like, this is gonna be such a hard one for you guys to tell on camera, I feel like, but in person, see that all these little things make a difference. I feel like I'm gonna take my glasses off too. Go with this vibe. I love a pair of hoop earrings with like kind of milkmaid top. I feel like they go so well together. And then I have this little bangle from Ana Luisa. Love Ana Luisa so much. And I've been wearing this, like, it just adds a good evenness. I don't know, if you have like a ring on one finger, you just put this bangle on the other and it looks so good. Oh, I love this bangle. No glasses, I can't see. Please be reminded of that. Oh, no, that's like too much. Okay, so we're not doing too much. We're doing like just enough in my opinion. Here's the after. This next one is so funny to me. It is so true. Okay, so let's do it. Take off my earrings because I don't think they go with this top. Tell me why, I don't know. Tell you why, I don't know. Okay, these jeans and this top are from Fabrique, but I think I want a different top. I want a different vibe. Okay, so a trend I talked about for summer or spring were these like front-facing pockets, and it's very 70s inspired, so I really like how this looks together. This, I feel like my hair has to be up again, and then these like very 70s. I mean, they're 90s, but they're Steve Madden, and they're like, they give 70s for some reason. So I'm gonna add these two. These jeans are so fun. I think also in like the winter time with just like a black heeled boot would be really cute. I don't know, do I like it with the chunk? Maybe it doesn't need to be that chunky. Hold up, I'm confused. Yeah, these little Cezanne shoes again. This top is also from Cezanne. And then I'm gonna keep this bangle on. And then like maybe like the big earrings would be fun. I gotta take off my glasses. They don't match this vibe. These earrings are actually clip-ons, which if you're like opposed to a clip-on, if you get a vintage pair and they're clip-ons, they'd be good. Just give them a shot. I was against them. I'm against them. Maybe just a hoop. I feel like I need an earring to like balance out if I'm gonna take my glasses off. This is why I was wearing those like fake glasses, because sometimes the glasses I'm wearing just don't go with my outfit. Then I want to take them off and then I'm not able to see anything. Okay, I think I like everything. So I got, I think it was only one DM that said this, but it was, what makes or breaks your outfit? Hair tie or an Apple Watch? I don't have an Apple Watch, but I couldn't agree more that if you have a hair tie on your wrist or an Apple Watch, breaking your outfit. Take it off. You can't wear it with every outfit. Like a hair tie, I know it's like helpful to have one. Just throw it in your purse. Don't put it on your wrist. Obviously, like day to day, you can wear a hair tie on your wrist, but if you're like trying to like dress up, take the hair tie off your wrist or the Apple Watch. Okay, so here's before with the hair tie on. And I even have a bangle on. And like, you still can't have it on. Okay, simplest one ever. Take the hair tie off. I can't see. Every video, I swear, I have something where like nothing is okay or one thing is just off. Like, oh my goodness. Okay. Was this the last one or do I want to? This was very like summer coated. Yeah, this will be the last one. Okay. This was like super summer coated. If you want to see this video but with fall and winter outfits, I can definitely do that because like, jacket matters, like the fit. There's just other things that make or break your outfit in the winter time. Your like hat you're wearing, your scarf, you know what I mean? It's totally different. So If you guys want to see that version as we approach fall, I can definitely do that for you. Remember to use the link in the description box to shop Fabrique. I will have all of the pieces linked there. Also, after this video, if you think of any of the pieces, all of my clothing is linked on Shop My, so you can also go there and check out anything from this video, the Fabrique pieces, whatever. And I think that's it. Thank you again to Fabrique for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in a few. Bye.